Motive and Malice in Law of Torts. Difference between motive and intention. Motive is the ultimate object with which an act is done, while intention is the immediate purpose. For example, where a person rescues a girl from vagabonds, the intention of the person is to save her. Still, the motive with which he might have done the act may be to seduce the girl. Exceptions. There are certain categories of torts where malice may be an essential element and, therefore, relevant for purpose of determining liability. In cases of deceit, malicious prosecution, injurious falsehood, and defamation, where defense of privilege or fair comment is available. The defense of qualified privilege is only available if the publication was made in good faith. 2. In cases of conspiracy, interference with trade or contractual relations. 3. In cases of nuisance, causing a personal discomfort by an unlawful motive may turn an otherwise lawful act into nuisance. 3. Malice. Malice is usually classified into two divisions: malice in fact, express or actual malice, or malice in fact means an act done with ill will towards an individual. It is, therefore, what is known as malice in the ordinary or popular sense, that is, ill will, hatred, enmity against a person. But implied malice means a wrongful act done intentionally without any just cause or excuse. B. Malice in law. Malice in law or legal malice is a term which is practically superfluous, as in law every tortious act is impliedly malicious on account of its being a legally wrongful act. The words malice in law signifies either 1. The intentional doing of a wrongful act without just cause or excuse, or 2. An action determined by an improper motive. To act maliciously means sometimes to do the act intentionally, while at other times it means to do the act from some wrong and improper motive of which the law disapproves. The distinction between malice in fact and malice in law is that A. Express malice, or malice in fact, is an act done with ill will towards an individual. Malice in law means an act done wrongfully and without reasonable and probable cause, and not, as in common parlance, an act dictated by angry feeling or vindictive motive. In order to constitute legal malice, the act done must be wrongful. B. Malice in fact depends upon motive. Malice in law depends upon knowledge. C. Malice in fact means will or any improper motive against a person, but in its legal sense, that is, malice in law means the concurrence of the mind with a wrongful act done without just cause or excuse.